Welcome to Informed Investor. In this video, we will dissect the third quarter results of Tata Motors and understand the reasons for it becoming the top Nifty 50 gainer, followed by some valuable insights. Towards the end, we will also talk about Tata Group companies crossing the major milestone of 30 lakh crore market cap. Let's begin. To start off, Tata Motors is a leading global automobile manufacturer and part of the illustrious multinational conglomerate which is the Tata Group. They boast of being India's market leader in commercial vehicles and amongst the top 3 in the passenger vehicles market. Currently, they have a product portfolio offering commercial vehicles, passenger vehicles, luxury vehicles which is the Jaguar Land Rover business, and recently forayed into the electric vehicle segment. Apart from these, they also operate in the vehicle financing business referred to as Tata Motors Finance. Interestingly, a major chunk of revenue, about 2/3 or 68% of the revenue, comes from the luxury segment, which is the Jaguar Land Rover business. Second comes in commercial vehicle segment with 18%, followed by passenger vehicles at 12%. At 1% comes others, which basically includes the IT services and insurance broking services along with the vehicle financing segment. Coming to the Q3 results, Tata Motors delivered a strong performance with revenue coming in at 1,105 billion rupees or 1.1 lakh crore as all automotive verticals continued their profitable growth trajectory, especially the luxury Jaguar Land Rover segment. This is an increase of 25% compared to the same period last year. On the quarterly basis, it witnessed a growth of 5% from the previous quarter. When looked at the bottom line, the company reported a profit of 69.5 billion, an increase of around 84% from the previous quarter and a massive increase of 136% from the same period last year. In context, Tata Motors recorded its highest profit ever recorded. Coming to the margins, Tata Motors maintained 38.3% of gross profit margins, which means that 38.3% of business revenue is left over after deducting direct costs such as labor and raw materials. Likewise, the EBITDA margins witnessed healthy margins of 13.9%, and more importantly, this is the highest ever in the last 7 quarters. Despite global demand being a concern, with JLR's strong order book, Tata Motors witnessed strong growth in revenues while maintaining healthy margins. Finance costs or interest expenses reduced by 191 crore to 2,485 crores in Q3 of fiscal year 24 due to a reduction in the gross debt during the period, further achieving their longer deleveraging plans. As per the con call of Tata Motors, the management expects to deliver an even better January to March or the fourth quarter of 2024 quarter, led by seasonality and improving supplies at Jaguar Land Rover, the British luxury car unit that drove strong sales. Furthermore, as Tata Motors is working with the government for payment security mechanisms, it will aggressively bid new tenders. All these positive factors have led to Tata Motors rallying over 18% so far in 2024, reaching its all-time highs. Before we conclude, the mega conglomerate Tata Group has reached a major milestone, becoming the first Indian conglomerate to cross the 30 crore market cap, displaying its strength and resilience. The Tata Group has 24 companies listed on the exchanges. Several factors have contributed to this achievement. Firstly, strong performance by key companies like TCS, Tata Motors, Tata Power have boosted investor confidence. More than half of the group's market value comes from TCS, whose market cap hit the 15 lakh crore mark for the first time this year. Additionally, the group's focus on diversification across various sectors, from steel to automobiles to consumer goods, aviation, has helped mitigate risks and attract long-term investors. Other significant contributors include Tata Motors, Tata Power, Titan, and Indian Hotels. In fact, 6 Tata giants, steel, power, motors, consumer products, Titan, and Trent add over 1 lakh crore each to the group's market cap. Meanwhile, Tata Technologies, which was recently listed, has a market cap of about 46,000 crore. The top 5 stocks in Tata Groups alone have a market cap of about 24.45 lakh crore. Investors have always trusted and shown their interest in the Tata Groups. It was evident from the record-breaking response that Tata Technologies IPO received recently. The IPO was listed at a premium of 140%. Having said that, this is me, Rahul, signing off. Have a great day and stay safe.
Did you like watching this video? Then download our app, Informed Investor, to watch more such informative and interesting videos.
Equity investments are subject to market risk. Read all investment-related documents carefully. Visit www.researchandranking.com